Hello， 大家好。今天呢，我们分享一下怎么样能够更有效的记住更多的中国汉字。For example, this word we pronounce it "mu", right? So this is a single characters. The radicals cannot separate it, as a single character. So this is wood. We say mu wu mu. This is one tree. When a tree is alive, so it is called tree. But when it's died, we say mu. We say mu. We imagine at the beginning, 10,000 or 1,000 tree together. What is that? 对, yes, forest. So how to write forest? Well, forest made from many trees together, right? So forest we say 森林. 森林. We can practice wood times. Then it's more helpful, easier to memorize the characters, the radicals for forest. I have YouTube account and a Facebook account, as well private class. So if you are interested in the Chinese learning, you can contact me, message me. Hope it helps. And hope my teaching methods is very helpful. Thank you for your time to watching. Bye.